everyone, it's Nicole and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are excited for this video because I'm finally filming a makeup tutorial. Long story short, I stopped doing makeup for a little bit, like applying makeup and filming makeup tutorials because my skin had a rough time, so I felt like it needed to breathe a little bit and just take a rest from makeup. But I'm so grateful and very blessed because I'm finally at a point where I feel comfortable in my skin again, and I'm just happy with where it is right now. And that makes me happier because I can film more content and makeup videos for you guys because some of you have been asking. So today is the day I'm back with makeup. Anyways, today's video is going to be a full face of first impressions for the brand Copycat Beauty. They sent me some of their products, so thank you, Copycat. I'm going to be trying them out for you guys, just doing a little makeup tutorial and having fun with it. Disclaimer as always, this is just for fun. I don't wear makeup daily, or I don't wear like glam looks out. Yeah. And click the link down below to shop from Copycat Beauty because they are very inexpensive and they're a very good brand. With all that being said, let's get on with the video. I'm going to tie my hair. We're back. Copycat sent me a bunch of their brushes, so I'm going to try to use just these brushes for this makeup tutorial. First, we're going to start off with foundation. I do not have a foundation from them, but I want to try out one of their brushes. This is the That's nice. This is the GT02 brush, and as you can see, it's like one of those fluffy brushes. I've never owned or tried one of these brushes before, so I'm excited to see how this works out. It's really soft. All of these are really soft. I like brushed my face with them already. Okay, let's put on makeup. Time to blend. I kind of look crazy right now because I haven't blended my whole face, but I really like this brush. It's, again, very soft. I'm liking the finish. I'm going to put on the rest of my foundation and I'll be right back. Foundation is on. Now we're moving on to concealer. Hello there. Now I'm going to use this concealer brush. This is the GT12 brush. Next is powder. Look how fluffy this looks. This is the GT01 brush. I'm going to use this to apply my powder. I am in love with these brushes. They are working very well. Oh my god, isn't it kind of unsatisfying how like it used to be so new and then it gets so dirty? I don't know. Next is bronzer. I'm going to use the GT07 brush, and it's an angled brush, so it goes like that. If you could go anywhere in the world, where would you go? Comment down below. Ooh, I like this. I would probably go to either Paris or Bora Bora. I think both of those places look so beautiful. If you're wondering, the only Copycat products we use so far are the brushes, and then the products from them are coming up. I'm also gonna put it on my temples. Like I said, a Copycat product is coming up. This is a blush palette. It's called Exposed One, and it looks like this. It has 6 colors. They are all very beautiful, and also comes with a mirror, so that's a plus. I'm gonna go pretty natural with this because I want to focus more on the eyes. I'm gonna use this brush right here. It's the GT03, and I think I'm gonna mix some colors. This one, and this one. 3 of them. Tap into all of them. Okay, I like it because it looks pretty natural, which is good because, again, we're gonna focus more on the eyes. I'm also gonna put it on my nose because I've seen people do it on their nose too. Jump on the bandwagon, I guess. But now we're going on to the eyes. For eyes, Copycat sent me these 4 palettes. They look like this. There's 9 shades in each, and again, there's 4 of them. First, we have Autumn. This is more fall-y and like warm tones. This one is Shocked. It has very vibrant colors, and everything is really bold in this palette. This one is Smoke It Out, and just like the name, it's a very smoky palette. Cool tones and like blacks, browns, grays. And then last, we have Cafe, and this one's more of a berry one. Magenta, rose, plums, and yeah. As you guys saw, all the colors are so pretty. Probably won't use all 4 palettes, but I definitely want to like bounce around and stuff. Also, I kind of want to do like a halo half cut crease. Let's just jump into palettes. I'm actually going to start off with Shocked first. This is the vibrant colored one. I'm going to zoom you guys in just a little bit. Get a little close and personal. Hello. I'm gonna dip into this yellow middle shade right here. This is the GT11 brush. It's like your normal crease brush, I would say. And yeah, these also come with mirrors as well. So let's dip into the shadow right here. Oh, these look really pigmented. I'm gonna put this in my crease, but pretty high up here. Again, the brush is very soft, and this is blending really nicely. I might add just a little bit more to give it more of a pop. There we go. I really like these palettes because you can make so many looks with them. You can just use one palette. You can mix and match the colors with all four. It's just like endless possibilities, you know? Oh, I love the color yellow. It makes me so happy. My favorite colors are pink and yellow. Pink has like always been my #1, but then for the past year or so, yellow has been like going up there, you know? Most of my closet is like red and yellow clothes. I don't know why. How's life, guys? Okay, next I'm gonna use the Autumn palette. These are the warm tones. I'm gonna use the same brush because the shades I'm about to use are also going in my crease. From the Autumn palette, I'm going to mix 2 shades. This one right here and then this top one up here. These two. I do like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And tap. Again, I'm gonna put it in my crease, but I'm gonna do it a little lower than the yellow. Oh, these are blending so good. Again with the Autumn palette, now I'm going in with these 2 shades. And then this is a different brush. This is the GT13. And this is for my outer and inner corner. So I'm gonna put it like here and then here. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, tap, tap, tap. Oh, let me tell you guys about this situation right here. I got a haircut like 2 or 1 week ago and I got layers, right? So it's like shorter here and then like longer here. These strands are so short, they keep falling out of my ponytail. So I'll have to like re-tie my hair. Okay, sorry, sidetracked. The palettes are working so well and the formula is very creamy. I'm going to work on my other eye and I just threw the brush, okay. I'm going to work on my other eye and I'll be right back. And the last part of this halo cut crease is obviously the halo. I'm going to cut my crease in the middle. I'm gonna use some concealer and this really tiny brush. It's the GT15 brush. Since it's a halo cut crease, I'm only putting it in the middle and I'm also cutting it right here. Last eyeshadow shade. Now we are using the Smoke It Out palette. We're gonna take this gorgeous gold shade right here. This is a flat brush. It's the GT10. And we're gonna pack this onto the concealer to finish up the halo. It feels like a pressed pigment. Oh, I'm so excited to use this. Oh, wow. There's a little bit of fallout, but that's common with glitter shades, of course. But this eyeshadow is gorgeous. I'm gonna go like this real quick just to make sure the fallout sweeps away. So now I'm gonna do my under eyes. I'm basically gonna do the same thing, just like do it on my under eyes. So I'm gonna do the crease colors, the inner and outer corner, and also the cut crease. I will be right back again. We're back. And it doesn't look that bad, but I think if we finish it off with mascara, it's gonna look much better. Speaking of mascara, here we have mascara. This is the Copycat mascara. The tube looks like this, and then here's what the wand looks like. I really like the wand. It's like thick with 3 C's, and it's also very flexible. Wait, okay. I love this mascara, oh my god. It definitely gives my lashes length and it's also very volumizing. I'm also gonna put it on my bottom lashes real quick just because I feel like they're kind of drained out with the halo on the bottom. So I'm definitely going to add some mascara down here. Oh my god. Yep, that's nice. Of course this happens to me. We're almost done and this just, okay. Never rub it or you're gonna smear it. Okay. I think I fixed it. That's the best I can do right now. We're finished with the eyes. All we need to do is highlighter and lips. Here's the next product. This is the Beach Glow palette by Copycat. First of all, can we just talk about the packaging? Like, beauty. And the colors inside are also gorgeous. I'm using this brush right here. It's the GT08 brush. It's a little fatter than the brush I would usually use for highlighter, but I think I can make it work if I put like the product on the side. Anyways, I'm gonna go in with this color. Ooh, it's so pretty. Highlighter is so fun. We are not done with highlighter. I'm also gonna put it in some other places. So I have my nose, Cupid's bow, inner corner and brow bone. I'm using the same color, but I'm taking this smaller brush. It's the GT14. Two lip products. First, I'm going in with this lipstick. This is from Copycat and it's the G Lip 02. It's pretty natural. I didn't want to go too bold with the lip, but it's just like a baby pink nude kind of. And then this is a lip gloss. This is GLG06. You might think it's a little dark for this shade, but I kind of wanted to focus it more on this, so this was like more of a base. To spray some setting spray. That feels so refreshing. And we are done with this makeup look. Guys enjoyed this makeup video. Thank you to Copycat Beauty for giving me these amazing products. Again, click the link down below to shop from them, and also check out the Instagram. I will link that down below as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much. Bye. Mwah.